Yes, y'all, let's get into this lip color. Hello there, everyone. I am Corporate Naps, and welcome back to my channel. I am here to talk to you guys about this lip color. So, as most of you know, I am a lip color girl. I typically wear pigmented colors. I have not really been into glosses very much, but I'm getting into them. I go through these phases, right? Sometimes I like my glosses, sometimes I like my pigmented colors, but I am really, and for the last probably few years, been into pigmented colors. For me, what's important about the color is, of course, the vibrant nature of the color, but it's also about the long wearing aspect of it. I'm going to talk to you guys about what I'm wearing, which is Boss Lady by Lip Bar. It's Lip Bar, and it is Black owned, woman, Black owned. And I will tell you, I have been wearing this color for quite some time. You have seen it in a number of other videos, and I did not make mention of it because, quite frankly, I wanted to have it and wear it for a while to make sure that I really liked the color. But what I've learned is that sometimes you can have a color, and it's really any makeup, right? So sometimes you can wear a color or wear makeup and it may seem okay that first 1 or 2 days, but once you start kind of really wearing it and seeing just kind of how it plays off of your skin and how it works with different clothing, you may change your mind about it. Like, I've had lip colors that they'll be okay, but I'll notice that, like, by the end of the day or midday, I may have to like reapply in the inner lip, right? Well, I may not notice that first couple of days. And so with this particular color, again, it is very long wearing. I love that. I eat with it on. I put it on in the morning. I will tell you, I get ready for work at about, I'll say by the time I get to the makeup portion, it's probably about 6 o'clock or so, 6 o'clock a.m., 6:30, maybe 6:45, depending on what time I woke up. But I will put the makeup on around that time. By the time I get home, and let me clarify, when I say I get home and end up preparing for bed or preparing to take my makeup off, it's pretty late at that point, because when I get home, I don't wash my face immediately. I actually do something that you're really not supposed to do. I actually go and work out. I work out, whether that's, and I'm not back in the gyms yet because I'm just not ready. That's a bit too risky for me right now. But I'll go and do a bike ride, or I'll do a walk, or my little fake jogging that I do. And that's anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. So through all of that, my lips at the end of the night are fully in. Now, let me clarify. When I talk about eating with my food, with my lipstick on, and keep in mind, we're talking breakfast, lunch, dinner, and whatever else I decide to put in my mouth in between, right? I have the same lipstick on without reapplying that I had on from early a.m. I am one of those people, when I eat, I don't use like the whole mouth with my utensils. And that's just me in general, regardless of what I have on my lips or if I don't have anything on. I tend to, if I'm using a fork or a spoon, I tend to eat with my teeth, right? So like, this is really crazy. So like, if you're eating and you have something that may be a bit messy, like a salad, you're literally putting it in your mouth and sliding it out, sliding the fork out or the utensil out with your teeth and not your entire lips, so that all of this does not go away. I hope that makes sense. So when I say it's long wearing and it has staying power, it's partially, of course, because of how I eat. However, I will say I've done that with other lipsticks, because that's just the way that I eat, especially if I'm out in public and I know I got my face on, I'm trying to, keep it together. I will do that with any lipstick on or lip color on, and it does not always stay. But this, I eat messy salads, I eat whatever, and I am good to go. I do ensure that, so that if I have like salad dressing or something that's a little wet on the inner part of my mouth, I do dab with a napkin on the inner part of my mouth, just to make sure that I'm not having that and the lipstick rub off on my teeth, of course, when I am done. So this has real staying power. I really like it. Again, very pigmented. I think it really works with all skin colors. As you can see, I'm a chocolate girl, and this right here has been my go-to. I have been vacillating between this and a MAC color that I usually wear, but this has been my go-to, and I get so many compliments. I love the packaging. It looks very girly, right? It's girly, but also has a little bit of sort of that edgy look, right? The shape and the top part here gives it sort of that edgy look, but I like that you know that it's a lip color, right? So at any rate, I just wanted to give you guys some insight on Bawse Lady, and it's B-A-W-S-E, and you can get this on Amazon. I'll leave the link below, of course. You can get this in Target. I am not sure if it's in Walmart. It may be, but I am loving this color on me. It's, you know, for most people, they may say it's a winter color. I will be rocking this all through summer and again back into the winters. At any rate, this is Bawse Lady by Lip Bar. I hope that everyone is doing well. I hope that everyone is staying safe. If you like this type of video, be sure to thumbs it up, leave a comment, and of course, feel free to subscribe. I hope that everyone is doing well. I hope that everyone is staying safe, and take care.